What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. Specifically, we're working on the AC system. And we're finally going to crimp these hoses. That way, I can actually charge the AC system. Because yes, some of you may not know, this has AC. I want to say thank you, a special thanks to Mike from BWoody Performance. He actually sent out his own personal AC crimping system for me to do this, so I didn't have to pay for the tool to be able to do this. So thank you, Mike. You're amazing. Really do appreciate you. So without further ado, let's get this opened. And if any of you guys have any Mopars, so the Cherokees, SRTs, the Chargers, the Challengers, even the TRX, he's already got, Mike from BWoody has very cool suspension components and other stuff for those Mopars. So hit him up, BWoody Performance. I'm gonna put his website down at the bottom because support the people that support this channel, and he's been a major supporter of this channel. So thank you again, Mike. And come on. Alrighty. Ooh. Alright. So let's look what we got here. Very nice. So it's a squeeze crimp, the different dies and everything. Sweet. So I'm gonna get my bearings about this and figure out what I need to do. And stay tuned, guys. Alright, welcome back, guys. So I've been figuring out, one, I got the tool figured out. That's a plus. But next, I was trying to figure out a way to route these lines to where it looks a lot neater. Because it was just a bundle of hose all right there. So I've kind of figured out a way, but I need more fittings. So originally this was looping back this way, then going there, and trying to find a way to where what comes off of the dryer to the condenser, like it's a mess. But I think I figured it out. I've got this hose routed kind of under, let's see, under here. And it's just going to be, zip tied off right there, so you won't even see it. I'm gonna have the heater hose still running this way, unless I figure out another creative way of putting them. We'll see. That's still TBD. And this one is going to run this way just because, yeah. I have it kind of back a little, but don't want it rubbing on the belt. But yeah, it's coming along. This one now is gonna be a little crazy, but it's gonna route this way once I get a different fitting. But it's gonna route kind of under the intake and then down to the condenser. So yay. It's not a lot of, looks like a lot of things happened, but it took a lot of finagling and figuring out where stuff will go, try to clean up this look. Because the way I'm gonna have it, you're pretty much just gonna see this, and this is gonna be zip tied, and I'm probably gonna put some type of cover on them to make them insulated and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to work. Welcome back, guys. So it's been kind of a pain, but I've got all of these lines crimped. The one's going all the way to the front crimped. The only one I'm missing is this one, because I need different fittings. I need 90-degree fittings. And I looked through all my leftover fittings from when we had initially built this AC system. I don't have them, so I need to order some. But that is, we'll get to that later. Yeah, I mean, sorry, just kind of a short video. And last week, I really apologize. I literally worked every day last week. It was kind of hectic, so just now getting time to get back into the garage and back on this, because I really want this done, because building it was fun, but I can't wait to start driving it, because that's gonna be really fun. But thank you guys for watching. Sorry this is kind of a shorter video, but I really just wanted to get this done because Mike was so gracious to let me borrow his tool to make it happen. So thank you again, Mike. Really do appreciate you. And yes, if you like this type of content, consider subscribing, comment down below, let us know what you thought about the video, and hit that like button. Have a good one, guys. Peace.